Hey guys, Nick Hutchinson with Marinemax Clearwater here. I've got a brand new boat that just showed up and it is actually available as of the time of this video. This is a 2022 Aviara AV32 Outboard, twin 300 outboards. And if you're not familiar with this boat, this is a newer luxury day boat built on an offshore hull. You can see the lifting strakes, the vertical bow at the top, how deep our V is here. This performs far better than your average day boat bow rider offshore. So let's jump up inside here, walk you through it, show you some of the unique features on this boat. It is completely loaded. You'll see on the back we've got auto glide trim tabs, underwater lights, joystick piloting on our Verado 300s. All of the lighting on board here is RGB. It's set to green right now, but you can set it to any color you want. We've got easy walk through, and underneath this step, open it up for you real quick. You've got designated holders for all of your fenders. Your seating in the back is very versatile and dynamic. You can change it to any setup that you'd like. You've got bar stools that are completely adjustable. One little click there. Walking through, we've got a sink that can also accommodate a grill. Refrigeration underneath, sink with fresh water, as well as holder for 3 wine bottles. When you talk about coolers, we have not one, but 2 lift-out branded roto-molded coolers. Coming to the helm, nice size seating, easy access to your joystick, your trim tabs, full glass panel display here. Our left screen controls all of your lighting on the boat. Here's where we can control the lights. As you can see, they're changing throughout here. Stereo, Klipsch audio throughout, all controlled right through there. Our center screen is going to be all of our navigation. Bottom finder, radar if equipped, and on the right, we've got our Mercury vessel view system. One of my favorite features, because I'm taller, is the head on this boat. I'm 6'2", you can almost stand up in here, right at 6 feet tall. It's center, you've got a full pump out overboard. Finally going up into the bow, very, very deep. You really feel like you're sitting in the boat, not on top of the bow here. Lots of cup holders, USB chargers throughout, Klipsch audio speakers up front with another zone as well. If you guys have any other questions about this boat, like I said, it is available. Give me a call, send me a text. 303-875-3988 is my cell phone. Thanks.